You know I've played chess 55 days consecutive, right?
What? Actually?
Mm-hmm. Bro, I'm locked in.
Disgusting.
Send it in
played
the
chess
Discord.
against T1, he fucked me. Yes, I'll try. I don't
You
have
played
edit, but I'll
chess
send the link.
against Tyler 1? Bro.
Yes.
Oh, no, that's like coughing baby versus nuclear explosion.
Yo, I'll
Why
teach you a
would you
lesson.
play
I'll
Tyler?
teach
He's
you a
like
lesson.
2K low.
Yes, bro. Yeah. Hey, you want to put some money on this, Jinxie? I'm down. Last time we did.
Yeah, bro. What do you want to do? 100 gifted?
I'm down for 100. I'm down for 200, bro. I'm down for whatever, bro.
Do 200. Do 200.